start question number 3 of this exercise 1.3. Here there are 3 parts in this question. First question is asking that 1 by root 2. In second, about 7 root 5, and third one 6 plus root 5. We have to prove that these all are rational numbers. In exam, it may be asked that evaluate 1 by root 2. Then there never you will substitute the value of root 2 equals 1.414. Then long division you have to do. That's why I am suggesting you that you will rationalize the number first of all. Then you can get the value of 1 by root 2 easily. But here just you see what we have to do. Solution. 1 by root 2 is given one. We have to prove that this is irrational. So suppose, first one I am rationalizing. 1 by root 2 can be rationalized by multiplying numerator and denominator by root 2, that is root 2 by 2. This can be written as 1 by 2 root 2 also. Let root 2 by 2 is a rational number. We are supposing this is a rational number. It means what? Root 2 by 2 can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. P and Q are integers. This implies root 2 equals root 2Q by cross multiplication. Root 2Q equals 2P. This implies root 2 equals 2P by Q. Here in RHS 2, P and Q are integers. Therefore RHS is a rational number. But root 2 is an irrational number. Therefore root 2 can never be equal to 2P by Q. Thus we get a contradiction. Contradiction with the fact. Hence our supposition is wrong. Supposition is wrong. Therefore 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. This is the solution. This much is in easy way you can do it. Let us see second part. Second part is saying that we have to prove that 7 root 5. So we write, if possible, let 7 root 5 is a rational number. Therefore 7 root 5 can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Q not equal to 0. This is the main condition. P and Q are integers. This implies root 5 equals P by 7Q. Here 7 in RHS is in multiple forms. LHS it is in multiple forms. So as you will carry it to RHS, it will go in division. So P upon 7Q. Here P, Q and 7 are integers. Hence RHS is a rational number. But root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore root 5 can never be equal to P by 7Q. Thus our supposition is wrong. Due to contradiction of the fact. Therefore, 7 root 5 is an irrational number. This is the proof of the second part. Let us move to third part, 6 plus root 2. Third part is 6 plus root 2. If possible, let 6 plus root 2, 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0, p and q are integers. This implies root 2 equals p upon q minus 6. 6 in LHS is positive, so as we will carry it to RHS, it will be negative. Take the LCM, LCM is q, then p minus 6q. In RHS, p, q and 6 are integers, hence a rational number. But root 2 is an irrational number. Therefore, root 2 can never be equal to p minus 6q by q. Thus, we get a contradiction with the fact. Hence our supposition is wrong. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Like this you can do it, and this is the